Hello guys, my name is Anthony Hernandez and I'll be talking to you today about the Kiva Robotic System. Kiva Robotic Systems was usually a creation because this wonderful gentleman, he decided that it's a failure if you have a warehouse and that warehouse is being, moved by people, which they take time to move a product from one site to another or to fulfill a product pretty much. And that's when Amazon, they said, okay, you know what, we have such big warehouses that they need to be fulfilled with all these products that need to be delivered. So why not purchase, the Kiva system and actually make it our system? So that's what they did. Other companies like, the Home Depot, Office Depot, you also had Gap, you also had Old Navy. They were using that, that product, the Kiva system, but it was kind of like, something that they just use as a third party. Now, Amazon, as genius as they are, they decided to go ahead and purchase the whole entire, Kiva system. So now it's part of their robotics. And what they do is that pretty much that system is just basically, it controls the whole entire warehouse. It moves everything, from one part to another. It uses FIFO. It has sensor controls. It also has technology within itself that it remembers. For example, if it's going through a path and it saw something in between, like a wall or maybe something that was kind of like in front of it, it remembers that and it throws it into the database. So then the other Kiva systems do not cross that path because, it's going to have some type of obstacle. And that is something very, very genius that, this individual, his name is Mons, him and with his, co-founders, which was D'Angelo and also another gentleman, which by the name of Peter, they came up with this concept. Now, the good thing about this is that the warehouse would always have a 24 hours system in place. They're always going to be moving things. For example, now Valentine's comes in. What they do is that they get all those candies that they couldn't sell before or chocolates, and they start moving it. The Kiva actually puts them in the front, and then that's going to be easier for them to go ahead and grab. And then you have a gentleman or a lady waiting for the Kiva system to come around and actually hand it to them so they can just place it inside of the box so it can be delivered. Another good thing about that is Amazon decided to not sign the license for any other provider, like I said, Home Depot or anything like that, to use that system. So that's something unique that Amazon is doing right now. That's just all them. So they decided to name it Amazon Robotics. That's what it's kind of like known for. And at that point, this is actually worth, the whole system is actually worth, because it's under the name of Amazon, they hold it, it's actually worth $775 million, which is the second largest acquisition in the history. So that's a really, really good thing that Amazon has to itself. I would like to show you this clip so you can see a little bit more about what I'm talking about. Thank you so much and have a great, wonderful day.